Hold on, let me catch up. You feel the grass?
This way.
Emma, slow down, baby. I can't keep up with you running around.
That's how it should have been a little girl's tail.
Talk to me about what you see, feel, hear.
I see Chloe and Taco.
You see the dogs. Okay. What else? What do you hear?
I hear some fire trucks.
You hear fire trucks. Okay. What else do you see and hear and feel?
I feel heartbeat.
You feel what?
Heartbeat.
Hard things? What kind of hard things? The strips on our stairs?
Yes.
Okay. Come on down. Slow down.
No, I didn't mean to go this way. I meant to go that way.
We're not going down there. Slow down. Walk with me, Emma, so we can talk. Come here.
Okay.
All right, pick up a rock.
What's wrong?
Pick up a rock. Tell me about that rock using your senses. What do you see?
It's gold.
It's cold.
It's gold.
Gold.
Mhm.
Did I tell you to throw it? Go pick it back up.
Shoot, that grass stinks.
Pick it up.
Oh, shoot, it stinks. Bad.
So you smelled the grass and it didn't smell good?
Stinky.
Okay. Don't throw it. Talk to me about it using your senses.
Well,
What do you feel?
it stinks.
Okay. What do you feel?
I feel that it's really, really beautiful. And I feel it is hard.
It's hard. Okay. What else do you feel about it?
Well, I feel that it's just... This one's hard too.
Okay.
And it's really dirty.
It's dirty. All right, let's try picking up a leaf. Come here.
I thought you didn't like me picking off leaves on your trees.
Don't get that one, but you can get this one right here.
That big one?
Mm-hmm.
But, oh no, it looks disgusting.
Well, come on, let's come over here.
I
bet
saw
there's
lots of them over here.
Okay. Pick one.
They're all my secret, okay? This one.
Tell me about it using your senses.
This one is nice, big secret one. It's so pretty.
It's big.
It's really huge and it's soft and I can reach the tree with it.
Okay, use your senses. Tell me about it.
It's just...
What do you see?
Well, I see it's brown and I see it's really muddy.
Muddy?
And it has this brown thing going all the way up.
Let's see. Show me. Show me the brown thing. Yeah. What else? What does it feel like?
It feels
Touch
like
it. What does it feel like?
soft.
Soft? Is it rough or smooth?
Smooth.
Smooth?
Not rough.
Can you smell it?
Chew!
Stinks. Oh, Emma, what is this thing?
What thing?
Right here.
Hey. Oh yeah, that thing?
That thing.
This. Oh, this thing?
Yeah.
I never heard of one of these before.
Do you think it fell off of the tree?
No, I don't see none. But I see that big brown one stuck up.
Yeah.
Can we take it inside?
Well, what does it feel like?
On the bottom is soft and right here is big. What if it's a porcupine?
I don't think it's a porcupine. It's a part of the tree. See, I see more around the tree.
I don't.
Touch it. See what it feels like.
But what if it's a porcupine?
It's not. I promise. I know what a porcupine looks like. It's not a porcupine.
But if it's a part of a dead porcupine?
It's not. Touch the round part. What does it feel like?
Sharp.
It's
Like-
sharp.
Like porcupines.
Sharp like porcupines. Okay.
Can we take it inside and keep it?
Yeah, I think that would be okay.
Can we keep that one too?
No, let's just keep one.
Can it be mine? Since
Come here, I
I'm
want to
the-
show you something else.
What?
Come on. Look around this tree. What do you see around the bottom of this tree?
Look what I see. That big.
Oh, what is that?
I don't know. Oh yeah, I know what it's called. It can sting you. It will sting you on the hand.
Is it called maybe a caterpillar or a centipede?
Oh yeah, there's more on that tree.
There's more. Oh, I see them. Oh, wow.
All alive.
What do they look like? Tell me about what you see.
Well, they're all in. All around this.
No, ma'am. Come here.
But there's one right beside me on that rock.
Okay, it's all right.
But they sting you.
They're not going to sting you.
They sting.
Tell me about what they look like.
Well, they look a lot like those stinky fingies.
But tell me what you see.
Why, see
Look at this one. Tell me what you see.
He's big and he's round.
He's round. Does he only have 2 legs, or how many legs does he have?
I can't count them. I can't see them.
Oh, so they're really small.
Yep. They're really
What color is he?
black.
He's black.
Or maybe
Yeah.
shiny black.
Yeah.
I like
Well, look around the bottom of the tree. What do you see at the bottom of the tree?
that.
What is that?
It's another one of those.
Well, I'm talking about the big stuff. What is that big stuff?
I don't know.
You know what I think it is?
What? Part of the tree.
It is part of the tree. It's the bark of the tree.
Well, Mommy, let's go check out something else now.
All right, we'll go around to the other side of the house real fast, and then we're going to go record in your journal
Whoa! Look at
what
that.
all we found.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah. What is that?
Looks like a bottle of grapes.
It does look like a bundle of grapes. What do you hear? I hear something.
I hear birds.
I hear birds too. Slow down. What? It broke. What broke on it, hon? Oh, well, that's okay. Just hold it by the big part.
No.
Or hold it by the little part.
No,
that's still
Mommy, we
attached.
gotta get the other one.
Okay, well, we'll get it in a minute. Come here.
Look, something I found.
What did you find?
Something like a secret.
What is that?
I don't know, maybe a pipe?
It does look like a pipe.
Then why is it broken?
I don't think it's broken. That's just where the water comes out.
Yeah, me too. Now let's go see.
Oh, Emma, look at this. Don't touch it, but just look at it.
Why can't we touch it?
Do you see that plant?
No.
That one down there? With the leaves?
Uh-huh, I see it.
How many points do those leaves have?
5. Now
They
let's go
do.
check out. Okay. That's the monkey. Look at this.
What? What do you see?
Oh, right. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
And I see a coconut on it. Come see it.
You see a or an acorn?
Would you like to touch it?
Yeah, you can pick it